Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome to all my visitors and first timers. I hope that you would consider subscribing to this channel where I talk about faith-based subject topics, studies, journaling, all that good stuff. In addition, I talk about planning, crafting, and hope to start doing more lifestyle oriented videos in the next few months. I'm going to do a daily setup in my daily planner for the week of February the 8th through the 14th, which is Sunday, Valentine's Day. And then for this setup, I already pulled out some doll stickers that I may use in this setup. These are some that I got for the Valentine release. I think Krista was part of the doll collection for the Avant bot she did, and she just changed outfits. I think she's one of them. But Darling, Mauve, Crush, Bliss were all a part of the Valentine release collection. And I think Amari came out before that one. I can't remember. But anyways, she's cute. Let me use her. And so then I pulled out some of the trunk pieces. I love this. I did unboxing on all of these stickers here already, so I'll link that video down below. But I just pulled these out. Oh, I made a mistake. Here's another one to use. This one is part of the Valentine collection. It's this one, Locket are all a part of the Valentine collection. Unforgettable and Know Your Worth are part of the Valentine collection. Secretive, I love that one. Okay, so I have those doll stickers, the trunk stickers, and then I pulled out the Live Love Posh sticker book. To utilize, I have a couple of washi tapes over here on the side that I'm just going to play around with and just have fun with it. I mean, it's 7 days that I have to decorate, so it's a lot of fun that I can have. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first off, deciding which dolls or trunk pieces I want to use first, just to get me started. So I decided to use 2 of the dolls out of the ones that I had pulled. But first I'm going to lay down some washi tape, and this particular washi tape is a pink, like hot pink, with a black iridescent overlay lace, which I truly love the lace washi tape. And I decided to put that at the top and the bottom, and I just left the blank, the area in between blank. I didn't want to put any more washi tape. And I'm going to utilize the florals from the Live Love Posh sticker book. And I am going to go ahead and cut that sticker down to size to make it fit on the page a little bit better after I adjust the placement of it. And it's so funny because these corner stickers are pretty big. So sometimes you need that big gigantic sticker, sometimes you don't. But I love the impact of the largeness of the sticker. So what I did is I just flipped it to the side, and it just looks like it's a background, which I like that better. And then I just cut some of the other floral stickers and just place them sporadically around the page. Now the white border around these floral stickers are pretty big, so I find that it's necessary for me to cut around the florals just to get that white edging a little bit smaller, especially when I am layering the floral stickers, because if not, the border is just really big. So and then I decided to go ahead and use some cover up stickers from the well, they're not really cover up, but they're shape stickers from the colorful shape sticker book from Happy Planner, as well as the colorful box stickers. I wanted to cover up some of the word that is being used because I just haven't been using those particular verbiages words to describe what I'm writing down. I like to go in and say what this area is about and so forth. And some of the spaces I really use and some of them I don't. And so it just really depends on the day. But I know that I tend to use, if anything, the important notes in the to-do section. So usually I try to put the doll stickers on the opposite side, and I just leave room where I could write around the stickers. But if I don't, that's fine too, because it's a daily page, so whatever I want to write is whatever I want to write. So but I like to use the floral stickers to sort of fill in and just add a little bit of extra oomph. And I really like how these 2 pages turned out with the dolls just surrounded by florals, and just it's simple. It didn't take a lot of time to do that. So now that was Monday, Tuesday. We're going to Wednesday and Thursday. And here I'm using some of my favorite washi tape. And it's like a rose gold lace overlay. And the background is like a white, but it's actually see-through. So it's really like a lacy kind of washi tape. And this is probably the one row where I'm almost like to the finish line with it. I don't have much left, but I'm sorry, my camera turned off. I ran out of space. So here what these 2 pages look like, and I'll give you a closer look of these pages at the end. But I love, these are my 2 favorite pages, and I love the way they turned out. And so now I'm going to, and as you see, I'm flipping back and forth trying to make for sure that I'm not overdoing it by a day, because I did that one time. So that was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now this is Friday and Saturday. And so I want to try to use some more of these doll stickers, but for some reason I really want to go ahead and just use my trunk pieces. And I just didn't feel like putting the dolls with the trunk pieces because I don't know. I didn't want to. And I felt like these dolls I could still utilize even within the next couple of months if I want. But I'm for sure I'll use them this month. But I felt more of an urgency to use these trunk pieces because they are turtlenecks, and they just have more of a cold weather kind of feel to me, with the fur wrap and the boots and so forth. So I wanted to go ahead and use that. Plus they have the decor of Valentine kind of feel to it with the balloons and the roses. So for this one I decided to use some of the Stardust washi tape from Simply Gilded and the drip washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. that I recently got, and I like the way it turned out up against the plum color that was included inside of the trunk piece, and I thought that was really cute. And I just had the earrings, and I went straight down with the turtleneck, the skirt, and I put the accessories of the purse and the boots on the side with the bouquet of flowers. I like how that turned out, and I did the same thing on the opposite side with the washi tape, and I put down some of the floral stickers from the sticker book, and then I put the turtleneck and the skirt with the fur wrap being closer to the neck area. And I decided to put the earrings to the top of the turtleneck as well, just to give that vision of it being wardrobey. But a lot of people don't do that. You don't have to do that, but I like to do that. And then I put the shoes down by the feet and the balloons sort of up in the air. I thought that turned out pretty cute. And then with these pages, I decided to use the silver foil color boxes to relabel the boxes, and I don't know why I have such a hard time with getting these boxes straight. They are still crooked, and you know what? I'm moving on. Sometimes I'm just like, whatever, because either I'm tired or I don't know, you know, moving on. So now I have Sunday left, and I really want to use my washi tape that I got from Cookie Sticker Co. because using the drip washi is very unique for me, and is something that I'm introducing into my collection, as well as this rose washi tape. Now I went ahead and got the bundle. I have to admit, the rose washi tape was not one of my favorites up front, but it grew on me the more I saw pictures of it, and by the time I got it, I'm like, I like this rose washi tape. It's so pretty, and I wanted to make for sure I used it, and so I decided to use it on Valentine's Day. And I wanted to put I love this dress. It's like a real pretty plum purple, and I thought that would be pretty up against the rose washi tape. And the rose washi tape has like gold foil throughout it, and so I went ahead and I used the gold foil colorful boxes to relabel the sections. But I like the way it really turned out. I'm very happy with each of the pages, and so here are the pages for Monday and Tuesday. Here are my favorite pages. So as promised, here are some close-ups of my two favorite pages. I just really love how these stickers look up against this rose gold lace washi tape. Is so pretty. Yeah, these are my two favorite pages for this week. Love it. I also like how these pages turned out too, with the Stardust washi tape and the drip washi tape together. Proud of myself, as well as the rose washi tape with the purple dress. I love how these pages turned out. I can't wait to fill them up with a whole bunch of goodies. And so what I do is I try to, leave this next to my desk and have it with me as I'm doing my day in and day out. And then from here, I will abstract certain things to put in, like my fitness planner, my memory planner, and so forth. So yeah. But thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, I do have a Goldmine and Coco referral link and code down below. Thank you in advance for using it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell. And until the next time, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.